Almost every company on earth is racing to put AI into their products, and almost none of them have anyone who know how to secure it. That gap is the biggest opportunity in cybersecurity right now, and there's finally a certification built exactly for it. TryHackMe just launched a certification called the AI1 Security Certification, and it's the first one I've seen built entirely around AI security. Now, I know what some of you guys are thinking: is this certification legit, or is it just trying to cash in on the AI rush? Fair question, and I'm going to answer it honestly in this video. So today I'll be covering why you need to learn AI security, how much the certification costs, what you'll actually learn and how it's taught, and lastly, whether or not it's worth your money. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly whether or not it belongs on your roadmap. At any point in this video, if you want to check out the AI1 certification, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. You can use code BENAI1 at checkout to get 30% off the entire certification for a limited time only. So let's first of all set the landscape when it comes to AI and cybersecurity. We've seen this exact story before when it comes to the AI hype, but only 10 years ago involving cloud. Companies moved all of their infrastructure and computing to the cloud. Security was an afterthought, and professionals spent years cleaning buckets that leaked data all over the internet. And that mess is what created cloud security jobs to this day. And the same thing is happening right now with AI, except even faster, and the attack surface is completely brand new. These companies are taking unpredictable systems and connecting it to their customer records, their contracts, and internal documents. Then they give it the ability to take actions, send emails, update records, run code, and then they pointed the entire thing to the internet. And now here's the problem that we're faced with. Your average security analysts have no idea how to prevent these attacks from happening. That was never in the curriculum, and they're not prepared for it at all. So you've got all of these companies with brand new risk that no one knows how to address. Now on top of that, ISC2 runs the largest cybersecurity workforce study, and for the first time ever, AI and machine learning cracked the top 5 for most in-demand technical skills. 34% of hiring managers say they are struggling to find candidates who have AI security backgrounds and experience. And on top of that, 59% of those same hiring managers admittedly do not know generative AI enough to even understand what kind of skills they're looking for. So the people who are even hiring for these jobs are still figuring it out themselves. So this presents an opportunity, it's an open door, and it's not a crowded field. So you don't win in this job market by having the same resume as every single other applicant. You win by having the skills that other applicants don't have yet. And right now, AI security is that skill, so let's go ahead and review this certification. So the AI1 certification costs $399, which to be honest isn't really bad at all for hands-on, beginner-friendly certification. And for that $399, you get the exam itself, you also get a free retake, and you also get access to the AI security learning path, which helps you prepare for the actual exam. And on top of that, you also get 3 months free of TryHackMe Premium. So this isn't the usual situation where you pay for the exam and you also pay for a subscription in order to prepare for the actual exam. The training and the testing are all in one price. And once you pass the certification, the certificate is good for 3 years. You'll get instant results, and you'll get a verifiable digital certificate and a shareable credit badge for your LinkedIn. So with that said, let's go over exactly what you'll learn from the AI1 certification. And this is the part that really decides whether or not it's worth taking. So there's 4 core areas, and each of these areas are more different than I've seen from any traditional certification. The first is AI threat modeling. You'll learn to take an entire AI system and map out the weak points, score each risk, and build a plan to fix it. This is literally something that you'll do in the real world when a company asks you, hey, we're going to release this new AI feature. What are some of the risks that we need to consider before doing it? Second is prompt injection and jailbreaking. This is the one that everyone wants to learn. You're pretty much crafting injections against protected AI assistants. You'll try to get past system prompts, getting by the guardrails, and making integrations act against their own design. Basically making AI do things specifically that it was not made to do or not programmed to do. And this, in my opinion, is one of the most interesting parts of this certification that no other certification will get you hands-on experience doing. You literally get a shot at compromising an AI agent. How cool is that? The third one is AI supply chain security. Companies download AI models from the internet and drop them into production all the time. You'll learn to inspect those model artifacts for tampering and backdoors and assess those risks before it's even brought into production. And lastly, number 4 is data poisoning. You run an actual retrieval poisoning attack, you'll measure the downstream impacts, and then document what broke, who broke it, and how to fix it. And the last part matters more than people realize because writing up these incidents is more than half the job. Most certifications pick either a red team side or a blue team side, but this certification does both, so you're getting your money's worth. And the certification itself is aligned to some of the most popular industry frameworks. So for example, it's aligned to the OWASP LLM Top 10, MITRE Atlas, and the CompTIA Sec AI Plus framework. And these are all frameworks that employers already recognize. And according to TryHackMe, this certification points to a bunch of different roles, including AI security engineer, AI red teamer, AI detection engineer, application security engineer with a specialization in AI, and a tier 2 or tier 3 SOC analyst with a specialization in AI as well. And these are all real job titles that barely exist even 3 years ago. So now that we've gone over the course curriculum, let's go over exactly how it's taught. So this certification is completely beginner friendly. You don't need to have any sort of AI specialty or background in order to get started. The exam itself is no multiple choice and no theory questions. You're not just sitting through 3 hours of talking head videos and answering trivia at the end. You're actually getting hands-on experience and getting your hands dirty and getting experience you can actually talk about in the interviews. The prep for this exam is the AI Security Learning Path, and you get access to that with your exam purchase. It starts with the AI basics and builds up from there. You'll learn about AI and machine learning security paths, AI models and data, prompt engineering, AI forensics, and containment. So even if you've never touched AI before, it's going to walk you through the basics. And if you've ever used TryHackMe before, it's the same exact format. You read through a concept and immediately go into a live lab within your browser to get some hands-on experience and practice what you've just learned. No virtual machines, no downloads of any other software, no VPN configurations to fight with, and the full learning path runs for about 40 to 60 hours, so you're getting a lot of education and hands-on experience to prepare for the exam. The exam itself has 13 hands-on scenarios across 4 sections. Some are static site exercises where you're pretty much analyzing a system and writing up the findings. Others put you against real live AI chatbots and real model artifacts that you need to triage within a sandbox. You get a 48-hour window to complete the entire exam. It's not proctored, and it's available 24/7 once you start. And the expected completion time is only about 6 to 8 hours total. So you have enough time to take breaks, sleep on a scenario that's fighting with you, and do them in any order that you want. And the grading for the actual exam is sort of a combination between task completion and also your analytical reasoning. So part of your score comes from how you arrive to your answer and your methodology, not just on whether or not you landed on the right answer. This way, people who actually pass certification are known to know exactly what they're doing, and you can't just sort of guess your way through the certification. You actually need to know what you're doing and explain how you arrived to your answer. And also, employers wouldn't want someone who can't explain exactly how they arrived to their answer because it shows you have a lack of knowledge. So this kind of prevents that. So let's be clear about who should be buying this certification. You don't need to have any AI or machine learning experience. The path starts with the AI basics and start to build up from there. What is recommended though is to have some form of a basic understanding of cybersecurity concepts. So an understanding of networking, operating systems, and core security concepts. But if you're someone who has the fundamentals down, you're a student or you're early in your career or you're looking to switch careers but you have a basic security background, this certification is going to be for you. It's also meant for people who are currently working in cybersecurity but don't have any AI background and don't want to start from scratch. And it's also for developers who ship AI products and want to start thinking like an attacker to prevent theirs from being vulnerable. And I have to give TryHackMe credit where it's due because this certification was mapped to exactly what employers are looking for. The certification itself was mapped on Atlas and OWASP, which are some of the 2 most popular cybersecurity frameworks. It was also beta tested with AI practitioners and students and reviewed by senior AI practitioners before launching. So they built this exactly knowing what students and also employers are looking for. So is the AI1 Security Certification worth it? And here's my honest take. The main value here for this certification is the time, energy, and knowledge that you gain from studying for this exam. When you complete this certification, you can say you ran real prompt injection attacks against live AI assistants and built threat models for AI architectures. That is going to give you a completely different background and experience level from other applicants applying for the the same jobs. While the rest of the applicants have the same 3 certifications and are applying for the same exact jobs with the same resumes and experience, when you complete this certification, you're able to say that you have hands-on experience and you can demonstrate the skills in the fastest growing specialization in the industry. And that in itself holds a ton of weight. And it's not just me saying that from my perspective. One of the first people to complete the certification itself, who is a cybersecurity consultant and holds multiple offensive security certifications, he called the AI1 certification the strongest starting point for AI cybersecurity available right now. At $399, including the learning path and training, 3 months of premium, a free exam retake, and hands-on labs and exam experience, this is one of the better value certifications on the market right now. And I would highly recommend it to you if you are looking to take advantage of this AI boom. So with that said, I want to leave you guys with this. AI security is not a trend and it's not going to blow over. It's an entire new layer of an industry that's still being built. And the ones who get in early are going to be the ones who are well positioned for the next few years. Right now, there's a window for you to get in early and not be late to everything. And like I said before, guys, if you want to check out the AI1 certification for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and be sure to use code BENAI1 to get 30% off the entire certification for a limited time only. I want to thank TryHackMe for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you found the video helpful and insightful, go ahead and drop me a like, and also be sure to go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on future weekly videos. With that said though, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.